My name is Elissa and I'm the creator behind Yarndrasil. On this channel, you'll find easy to follow crochet patterns and tutorials.
Whenever possible, I use super bulky, light colored yarn, which allows for you to actually see what it is that I'm doing. The quality and clarity of my tutorials is very important to me. I also share instructional videos for both modern and vintage crochet patterns. Most of what you'll see is designed by me, but the vintage patterns I'm modernizing by updating the terminology. These patterns always have free written instructions published on my blog. I am the kind of woman who has dabbled in many crafts. Crafts of all kinds, really. But my primary focus is working with textiles. I sew. A good deal of my dresses I made myself. I feel that this is important to mention because it shows that I understand garment construction. I can also spin yarn with a drop spindle, embroider, cross-stitch, weave, and knit. Shortly after giving birth to my daughter, I rediscovered crochet and followed that thread as far as I could. Crochet brings me a great deal of joy. In 2019, I received my instructor certification from the Craft Yarn Council. My goal with this channel has always been to help as many people as possible learn how to crochet, and the future is still unfolding itself to me. Working with textiles is now an integral part of who I am. So if you're interested in learning more about crochet, or just want me to soothe you with relaxing vibes, please subscribe. Clicking the notification bell ensures that you don't miss a thing.
Videos are posted every Friday. See you then.